All right, welcome to my Clickly review. Stay tuned for the very end. You're not going to want to miss. I've got special bonuses for you. Been making several videos about this, and I've actually been just learning about this software and using it over the last week. So this is definitely going to be the best review video out there. You're going to go and probably go bonus hunting. I made us an exclusive bonus just for you for this launch as well. So stay tuned. So we're going to be jumping in and I'll go over all the one-time offers and kind of explain everything to you. But before we jump into Clickly, let me just go over here and show you. I've got Pro Access. I've already been using. No one else is going to be able to show that they used 40 credits already, and they've made several thumbnails. When we come over here, I've already used this for my channel, some of my main channels. I have a channel that has over 20,000 subscribers, and I've used some of these thumbnails as well. I'm going to give you all of the details on how I would use this and some of the hidden gems that most people are probably not going to be focusing on or talking about in this. Okay, but before that, let's go over here. I want to show you one thing and why the bonus that I created is absolutely could be game changing for you. You come over here to the AI face cloning part of the tool, right? This is one of the three main tools. We go back over here. There is the template library, the magic thumbnails, and the AI face cloning. Those are the three main tools and ways to use this really awesome software. If we go into AI cloning right here, you can actually upload your images and you can get these models, right? We can create a new model. You upload an image of yourself, and essentially you can say, hey, I want a happy, shocked, sad, excited, angry, worried, neutral, nervous look. You can even put an advanced prompt in right here, and you can choose the size right here, and it's going to take 4 credits, right? I believe that's almost the cost of a thumbnail to be created as well. This will definitely eat away at your credits. Unfortunately, my bonus actually shows you how to bypass this and not have to use these credits. Use Clickly for the amazing features that it has, and this is an amazing feature on the fly, don't get me wrong, but if you don't want to spend your credits to use the AI face cloning right over here, right? And then when you usually get the image back, you might want to go in here and make an edit. You're going to put right here, and it's going to cost a credit each time, right? So that's where I cover in my bonuses right over here. So these are the bonuses, the exclusive bonuses that if you click the link below and join, then you're going to get these bonuses right here, along with some exclusive bonuses that we also have. I'm going to be going over real quick. Okay, so let's just run through this real quick. Promise I'll get through this very quick. So I'm going to spend the most time just talking about this. This is my insane bonus number 1. It's a brand new exclusive bonus just for this launch. I just got done recording the training, and you get instant access to this. It is a training video on showing you exactly how to save credits within Clickly. So no one else is going to be able to offer this and is going to go about creating a brand new bonus for you that is going to show you how you can save money and save credits using Clickly, right? So this is the bonus right now. That's worth just going and clicking below and picking this up through me because of the exclusive bonus and awesome way you can save money. But then also this review is going to be the most comprehensive, best review that you're going to watch on Clickly. Everybody else is going to be promoting it as well. But hopefully you found this video because it's going to be the best video about this product. The next bonus is that this is the first course I ever created about 5 years ago. It's a small YouTube, big profits. It shows you how I started on YouTube. I struggled to make money online, and I started a YouTube channel 5 years ago in about 2020. And while I only had 500 subscribers, I was able to create a course. Actually, this is the second course that I created. The first one was PLR Profits Academy, and I made like $13,000 from that course with just 500 YouTube subscribers, right? So I make money with affiliate marketing and selling my own products, not because I'm a major, big, viral YouTuber, right? And actually, to be honest with you, I've probably made more money than a lot of YouTubers that have 1 million subscribers because they don't really know what they're doing to make money. And so this right here is like a three-hour course that takes you over the shoulder. It's kind of a case study just to show you what's possible with YouTube, and you don't have to have any special skills or anything like that. Just creating simple videos and then just taking consistent action. So this is a 3-hour course right here. This is an amazing bonus I don't give out very often. It's hosted on Gumroad, so you're welcome to go and pick this up so you can get the bonuses. The way that I design my bonuses is that I want the bonuses to be as valuable or even more valuable than the product itself. That way, if you're a little bit bummed or something like that with the product that you purchased, that you still feel like you came out with a win because you get these fantastic bonuses that are a lot more than the actual front end product. Okay. So that you get that right there as well. And then I'm giving away one of my custom GPTs. I love this. I use this every single day. Concise video promo. You're going to paste in your video, your YouTube video link, and just push go. And it's going to write you an amazing, concise, really a non-salesy email that's going to get people to watch your videos. And that is an amazing thing to do. When you put all this together, you build an email list and you just go out and say, hey, I created a new video. It can just blow your business up and do so much for you. So those are the bonuses that I'm offering right here. So go pick those up. And then last but not least, here are a bunch of custom bonuses that Tim Verdeau, one of the founders and launchers of the software, is also going to deliver these to you if you pick up through my link below. YouTube Thumbnail Pro, YouTube Reply Assistant right there, Strategic YouTube Campaign Creator, YouTube 5. Some of these are softwares. The YouTube 5-second formula right here, the 6-day YouTube Accelerator, the how to set up YouTube campaigns, and how to scale your YouTube ads right there. So you're going to get all those bonuses and all my 3 exclusive bonuses right here. This one I just made brand new just for this launch. So you're getting brand new. Some of you have purchased from me before. You might have access to these other bonuses, but this one is worth it just to get this to save money. Okay, so let's go jump in real quick. This is Clickly right over here. And I can just show you the software, but I'm just going to go through real quick that this is the landing page. And if you're seeing this video before launch, I'm making this video and launching it on February 4th. So you might see this video, but it actually launches tomorrow on February 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time right here. Now, if you're seeing this page before that, it's actually, you're lucky because you're going to be able to get a special offer that's an exclusive early bird discount and bundle offer. And they have a webinar. So if you want to join that webinar, you're going to just click this. You're going to go put your name in, your email, and then just save your seat. And the webinar is in 21 hours. I think that they're going to actually have the webinar like an hour before the launch. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that if you want to get special pricing and their exclusive bundle offer. Okay. So that's what you need to do right now is go. And if you put your name in right over here, it also is going to be saved with my affiliate link. You're still going to get my bonuses and all that as well. Okay. So this is Clickly. Paste your YouTube link, let AI create click winning thumbnails in seconds. Now, I want to take a minute or just a second really, to just let you know that the creator of this software is the same creator that created a Create Studio about 5 years ago, a really great video editing and character editing tool. This isn't what you typically think of as your Warrior Plus or JVZoo product that's here today, gone tomorrow. This is a high quality, high value, high vendor launch that I believe will be here for a very long time. And the quality speaks for itself because I've tested out every thumbnail maker out there, and this I've paid monthly for thumbnail makers, and this one is better than all of those, and it's better than your vidIQs, it's better than your 1 of 10s, it's better than going out and trying to create the thumbnails on your own. This is a very quality tool. I highly recommend this, and that's why I'm so excited about this. And of course, I'm even more excited because it's a quality vendor, quality product that's the best of its kind so far that I've seen. And also the vendor that created this has a track record for years of maintaining software. That Create Studio was created in like 2018, 2019, something like that, before AI and everything. And it's still available right now. They've still developed it. They've still added an AI to it and so forth. So really worth it. So this is the sales page. You can get in as low as $47 for the front end, and that's going to get you 2,000 templates. And so I'll just go over here and show you what template. Come over here into templates. These are Canva templates. I'll go over that in just a minute, but this is really amazing. This is actually my favorite part of the software and of the bundle, is that you get access to all these Canva templates of high performing YouTube thumbnails across the board in several different niches right over here. And that's my favorite part. Okay. So just $47 will get you into 2,000 templates. And I think it'll give you like 100 or 200 credits. Then you have the pro version right over here for $97 one time, and it's going to load you up with, I believe, 1,000 credits and 4,000 1,000 Canva templates, 50 times YouTube thumbnails weekly, 1,000 extra AI credits, right? And the hook vault and the YouTube ranking guide, 100, 0 to 100,000 views. So if you only pick up like one of the OTOs or whatever, I recommend the pro version. Don't miss out on this because the templates alone, all the AI credits you get, pro is definitely the best. And a lot of you ask, do I need to purchase the front end if I'm going to purchase pro? And yes, you do. I mean, if you go to AppSumo and you buy a product and you get tier 2 for $150, or you get tier 1 for $89, it's the same thing. Like tier 2 also includes tier 1. So you have to, it's just kind of the way it goes. Like in order to unlock the software, you have to pick up the front end, and then it's an upgrade as well. And the price, it's basically the same thing, right? This is $97. The front end's $47. So you're at $147 or whatever that is, right? And you go to, it's the same thing. If you go and you buy tier 2, it's about $150, right? So you don't get to skip the line. You don't get to skip the front product, if that makes sense. So you do need front end, and then you can add upgrades is kind of how it works. Okay. Let me come over here. Upgrade 2 is this one right over here, the clip magic, and you're going to be able to turn every video into 10 plus shorts automatically. So really, really cool. If you guys know this software over here called Opus Clips, right over here, it's expensive. You have to pay monthly or yearly for it, and I actually pay for this. So I'm going to probably have to consider picking up the one-time offer over here for Clickly right over here. So that's what this is right over here. And what is the price of that one right there? It's $147. And then the last and final offer, I like this, that there's just like 3 upgrades and that's it, right? They're not going to take you through this funnel of 8 products and so forth. Final special offer that they have is get 9 times digital products that you can easily rebrand and start selling today. And this is a $97 offer right over here, more like a training and creator toolbox and so forth. So you're welcome to go and take a look at that as well. Okay, so I'm going to go right back into here to show you. When you come into home, you have your dashboard, you have all these training videos and so forth, Facebook group. But right over here, now, as you can see, all you're going to do is come over here, click on this. You're going to add a YouTube link right over here. You're going to add your transcript, right? And that's going to have some options, right? So let's just go and grab a YouTube video real quick. I'm just going to go and grab a YouTube video right over here and then push enter, analyze and edit, right? So this is Nick's video. It's going to go and it's going to analyze. So you can upload a reference right there as well. You can go over here and you can add a clone. So you can create a new clone. You're going to drag an image and name the clone. I already have 2 right over here. I'm going to push cancel there. So I have David casual, David suit, right? So I added myself with us wearing a suit and one with casual. So you can go like that. You can choose between 1 and 4 thumbnails right there. And then you can choose from all these different popular models right over here. You can choose your reference, or you can go over here. So let's just go like this right here. Click that one right there. We'll just do 1 thumbnail right here. And then we'll just say go. And that's 4 credits per thumbnail. It's going to go live and create this. And we'll be right back. It's almost done right now. It takes about 45 seconds to about 60 seconds to create your thumbnail. They are using the top models in the industry, so I can imagine they're probably using like a Nano Banana or OpenAI, a combination of both, something like that. They are definitely using the top models, and that's why there's a credit system, and that's why this costs so much money. They absolutely could not launch this software and not have people continuing to pay for credits. They would just go under, and then the tool would not exist in a year, right? So I like that they actually are not offering like a lifetime deal on credits, because that's just not that just won't work. But you can see that this literally looks like me. And this is the image that we kind of created. And then you can see right over here, it future-proof your income, AI adaptation, skill stacking, automation mastery, and human-only value. All the words are spelled correctly. It's techie. It looks really, really good. We can go over here. We can click on edit with AI. We can tell it anything we want to do. And then we can say generate right there. You can add another reference. So they all along the way, you have all your opportunities to make the image as best as you can. You can download it, and then you can go and make even further edits if you wanted to, like in Canva or something like that, right? The next thing I kind of went over was AI, face cloning, which is you're going to add your suit, or you're going to add your clone. You can have as many clones as you want, and you're going to say, hey, I want a sad look. And then you can put more prompt in right there. You can choose your size, go boom right there. And remember, the bonus that I'm giving you kind of solves this not issue, but it just will help you save credits. So definitely want to get the bonus right here that I just created. And then my favorite part, you can go in here into projects and you can actually create a new project, name it and so forth. And you can add your different thumbnails to different folders. And you could actually use this as an agency tool. Go out there and actually create thumbnails for other YouTubers and so forth. So really great tool to be able to do that. They do have tutorials right over here. It's going to take you to the YouTube channel where they have tutorials as well. Honestly, I saved the best for last because this is the template section. And this is absolutely mind blowing that they have found all of these thumbnails. We can go over here and look at my saved thumbnails right here, which is really cool. We can also go and look at new, the most popular, top performing. So we'll just go click on the top performing, and I'm just going to go to new and go to top performing, and it's going to pick the top performing thumbnails that they have in their database here. And it actually will show you all of the different ones right over here. And you can go, and if you just find one that you want to go and create a thumbnail based on, like this one over here, all you have to do is just click it. This one got 1.1 million views. It's an Alex Hormozy. Now that's actually not him because they actually used AI to recreate these. But here's the most fascinating, right? And they have all these niches over here. We can go to filters and look at all of these right here for tech and gadgets, tutorials and how-to, reviews and unboxing. That is like where I live on YouTube, on my multiple YouTube channels. But certainly if I wanted to come in here for this tutorial right here and select this one, you can move it to a folder. You can edit in Canva and check this out. It's going to take us over to Canva where we can go and say, view this template right here. And then we're going to push the edit, open an editor right here. And now we are inside of Canva and this entire thumbnail along with some other ones as well. So you've got that one there. You've got this one right over here. It's like a whole kit that we have. And then there's all these assets that we can use along the way. But this first one's really good. Watch, we can click this. We can move that around. We can get the text and move that around. We have all these assets in here. Every single one of these is an asset. Look at that right there, right? So you have these amazing thumbnails that have been, every single object is movable, expandable. And so you can make this thumbnail really simply, right? So all we have to do is just come over here. We can duplicate this page right here. And then I can go over here to uploads and I can just go and grab myself right here. So I can go grab an image right here and we can go and all I have to do is move this over here, go and click this right here, copy the style and paste it over this shocked look, and then get rid of this right here. And then now replace it with this new image that I just created and go like this, right? So then now you have that, and then you go to position and then you go backwards right there. You just click that until the text finally comes over here. And then now you have this right here. You can move this down over here and change here and then download this. And now you have this new, like, look, this is what this was right here. You can also come over here and grab this right here, go position and forward and something like that, right? So we could go and kind of see how we want to make that look right there. It might not look so good. We would probably need to get like a cutoff right there like that. And there you go. So there's your thumbnail. You can either go with that or you can just have it over, but it looks like I'm sitting behind a desk right now, right? So the template pack, you can do that with any of these, and there's thousands depending on which one pack you ordered or what. If you got the front end or the pro bundle. But look at all these really great thumbnails in so many different niches, and it just keeps going. Look how many thumbnails there are. This is way better than like the Canva templates that they give you. So this is my favorite part of the software, is actually the templates. Absolutely highly recommend this along with picking up the product because it's the best AI thumbnail generating tool along with those templates that I have seen, period. And then also this unique bonus right here where you can save credits, and then you also get that 3-hour course, how you can actually start making money with YouTube. And then you have this really cool custom GPT with my bonuses. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.